Daniel Bryan with a great offensive show. Great reversal. And he finally gets out of the ring. Oh gosh, careful, careful. Randy Orton, no problem getting out of that one. He gets out of trouble there. And he dodges that one. Into the cover, hooks the leg. One. Early kick out. Referee right on top of the action. Tag team championship at stake. Which team wants it more? Oof. Man. Hooking the leg. One. And he breaks up the count. My God, there's so much on the line here. And here comes his partner. Stop dead in his tracks. Watch it. Ooh. That should do it right there. One. He breaks up the pin, and the match continues. Randy Orton in an early kick out. Reversal. Randy Orton showing some adversity right now. John Cena making a move. Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there. The Viper, his coils tightening. Uh-oh, trying to put... That's it. He's out. Big time impact. This could do it. 1, 2, 3. He did it. Randy Orton did it. The winner and your new champion.
Here are your winners and new World Tag Team Champions. The Viper, Randy Orton, and Brock Lesnar. Demolition.
An emotional victory here tonight.
Man, oh man, what a battle.